All right, welcome back, guys. We're here for another stock pick of the week, episode 4. We're going to talk about Chainlink, but as you guys know, I'm Sal with Simply Investing. So if you could like and subscribe and really help me out on this video and help us get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, it really helps. We're also on TikTok. If you can follow us on TikTok under Simply Investing with Bobby, you can subscribe there. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscriber followers there. So definitely really appreciate all the help that we can get, and hope you guys enjoy this. This will go live first on Patreon. So as you guys know, in the description, you can join the Patreon. $3 a month. You get all the stock pick videos, crypto pick videos, all the and other great and wonderful videos that we're going to be doing to our channel, and you can get instant access to them, or you can wait a couple weeks for them to come out on YouTube. But we do appreciate that. Follow us on all channels. Also, we're also on Rumble too for our live replays. We're live every day in the afternoon for crypto news, and then we're live every Sunday morning for what's in your portfolio. So let's get this started here, and we're going to go over Chainlink. Now, Chainlink is definitely one of my biggest holdings. I have increased its size. I got pretty much $116,000 into Chainlink at the moment. It is currently, as of today, sitting at $7.45 as of recording today. It certainly has had a nice run up. If you look over the last year, we're still down where we started a year ago, but from if you look at from about mid June, I should say, yeah, mid June, we were hovering in $5, so we're definitely making some positive price action. Now, there's a lot of good news going around it, especially with some of the announcements on Chainlink. Now, as of right now, it's got, oops, I did not follow it, but we're going to get that followed and added to my watch list here. But we have 78,000 followers. It's definitely on, let's see here. I know I found the watch list before. Let's see here. Maybe it's at the bottom here. Watches over a million watch lists, so that's definitely great. As you can see here, we'll talk a little bit about what it is. So Chainlink was founded in 2017 as a blockchain abstract layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Now, what they're trying to do is they're trying to make it as seamless as possible, and we'll go over that next point that just launched about 3 weeks ago for the seamless smart contracts across all blockchains. So it allows you to do very complex integral things, as in going from one blockchain to another, exchanging tokens for different tokens and all that crazy nonsense. They actually have a video of it up on their YouTube. If you guys don't know, Chainlink has its own YouTube where they go over all of this, but we'll talk about their CCIP that launched 3 weeks ago, which has definitely changed the game for you guys. Now, we do have a lot to go over. Their white paper, as you can see, it is intense. As you can see here, I don't know why I can't share it. Okay, well, I can't seem to share the white paper, but either way, through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events, and payment methods, providing a critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become a dominant form of digital agreement. Now, there are part of their CCIP is tokenization of real world assets. Although I think they're a little bit behind Quant. However, I had very bullish news on this, so we'll definitely go over that in a second. But as you can see here, there's a lot of activity going on, and I think that this is going to make. I think the CCIP with Chainlink is going to make for financial products to be very viable in Web3 and on all these blockchains. So what you got to understand is like smart contracts for financial products, as well as also tokenization of financial assets. It's just go. This is going to change the game on how everything is hold, change the DTC forever once this all starts becoming mainstream, and it's going to make everything instantaneous. So imagine being able to trade at a price you see within 5 to 15 seconds. That's what they're trying to do, and I think that's going to be wonderful. Now, their biggest competitor in that area is going to be Quant because of their overledger, which launched a few months beforehand and has a little bit more smart money behind it. So it's definitely has quite a bit of competition for. But I want to kind of go over the white paper, but it doesn't seem to allow me to. Let me see if I could share this. Download. Oops, go back. Oops, let's go over here. All right, white paper. Download the white paper. Here we go. Okay, now that I got it to work there for you guys, I do apologize. We're on the white paper here. So if we go down, I think because I did all this last year for you guys on one of my other channels, but if we go back down, I know they say it's somewhere here, but we'll have to go through it here. As you can see, they're giving examples of everything and kind of going over. Here's what I want to talk about: the hybrid smart contracts. Central to our vision for Chainlink is the idea of securely combining on-chain and off-chain components in smart contracts. We refer to contracts realizing this idea as hybrid smart contracts or hybrid contracts. Blockchains are and will continue to play two critical roles in decentralized service ecosystems. So that's kind of important. Decentralized service. So decentralized financial services is now going to be a possibility with this. So this is going to make ETFs of other cryptos mixing with Bitcoin and Ethereum a very good possibility. So I would not be surprised if during the bull run we start to see some of this action. Now I want to get down to where they explain here, because here's kind of how they're going to do. They're showing how the blockchain smart contracts and decentralized layers are going to work. But I want to get down here because there was something very, very good. It was very deep in here, but it was all explaining how the tokenization of real world assets based off of Web3 and blockchain technologies, which it got me really riveted. But if you really want to check it out, it is in these videos here where they're talking about launching CCIP with BGD Labs, Aave, and Synthex or Synthetics. I'm sorry if I got that wrong, but they did all of that. And there's also right here Q2 2023 Chainlink product Q&A. They definitely want to watch that over there for you guys. So, and also if you guys are into, you definitely want to be subscribed. I am subscribed. Actually, I don't have the bell notification on, but there we go. So we got all of this here. Now I can't play any of these videos for copyright reasons, but let's just say that a lot over the last couple months has been very riveting through this. So I'm very interested to see how this is going. How's this going to go? How's this going to play out? Now, a lot of what they're centralizing is decentralized Web3 with financial services, and of course, their smart contract platform. But as you can see here, here are all the partners that are working with them, and there is a decent amount of developers on their platform, and they're finally getting traction. So after 5 years, they're actually really, really, really getting traction on this project here. Now, what I do like is, if let me just keep scrolling down for a little bit, it is here somewhere. I apologize if I have not pulled it up here. Okay, we're in the rollout approach. Okay, I might not be able to find it here, so we might have to go Let's go back over here. So I do apologize. I'm not able to find what we were actually looking for because I did have it there. However, with the bullish news of CCIP launching and having effective partnerships, and with once I as I watched that video, which I recommend on Chainlink's YouTube page, it is definitely from someone who's been in financial services. It's going to change the game for financial services along with quant. But I think Chainlink's going to be able to stand on its own, and this bull run is going to show that we're going to have a good a good possibility of having a good run up. My price target on this is, after reviewing all this, $105. I I'm a little higher than the 80 to 100 range of some other analysts out there, but I'm thinking $105 is the top end price target for this during the bull run. And at $7.46, we're looking at a great buying opportunity. As of today, I bought a significant sum of Chainlink, and I may buy more. But I think I'm in a good position with it in relative to my portfolio. While also, as far as a buy rating, it is a rated buy and hold stock. Like I'm strong buy. Like I'm very bullish on this, and I think it's definitely should be in anyone's blue chip crypto portfolio. This is not something I'm trading, I'm not shorting, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm just buying it and holding it. And like if you guys have been following me on my lives, I've always been saying, the next bull run is going to be 2 years from now. We got about a 6 months delay on the bull run compared to other bull runs from the Bitcoin halving. So I'm thinking 2 years, at most 3 months, till we get to that next bull run and where you can really capitalize on this. So I'm definitely setting this bag up right for myself. I hope you guys are too. It is in my portfolio at roughly 10% of the value of my portfolio. So do keep that in mind. My portfolio is diversified and it's 10%, but I rate this as an A-rated stock, as an A-rated crypto that is on the buy category. So with that said, though, keep in mind I'm not a financial advisor, although I was a licensed Series 7 trader, and I'm well versed in FINRA and all the regulations involved in it. But I'm not giving you financial advice. I suggest that you really do your own research and take a look at that. It's like 106-page white paper, and really watch every video on Chainlink and really get an idea of what they're about and what they're doing. Now, I watched this stock crypto 2 years ago, and I definitely think it's a good buy. I think everybody should have it in their portfolio. If you only got like 3 or 4 coins, this one should be in there as well. So, with that being said, guys, like and follow, click the like button, subscribe to us. Really appreciate it. Like and follow us on TikTok, and look forward to seeing you guys on one of the lives. And we'll be back again for another crypto pick next week. So thank you guys. And also check out every Friday for next Friday will be the first episode of Stock Pick Friday. Those will come out every Friday. And the first one we're going to go over is Ford. So thank you guys. Really appreciate all your support and hope you guys check in with us again. And we're going to circle back to this in 6 months to a year on Chainlink too. So be prepared for that. We're going to come back with this. So definitely thank you guys, and hope you guys respect the process and don't invest more money than you're comfortable losing. With that said, guys, adios. I'm checking out.